Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLOV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a crazy movement on this one today, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of selling pressure showed up. But what makes this interesting is that after all the selling, the price just started to go sideways. So, I mean, a whole lot of downwards pressure and then started to go sideways, which makes it interesting. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say that trading was this easy. Just because the price was going down and then it started to go sideways does not mean that for sure guaranteed this is the bottom and that a bounce is going to happen. My point here is it's at least a valid, it's at least a rational thought to say, you know what, maybe, just maybe, this thing is finally bottomed out. But that's also what brings about and makes this area very important at $6.60, because if this is some sort of bottom, right, if this thing has bottomed out, well then by definition, by default, the price needs to stop going down. Stop going down relative to what? Well, relative to where it was previously, which is down here at $6.60. So that'll definitely be a very important level because, like I said, as long as the price is still above that area, well, that makes it at least a valid thought that, you know what, yeah, maybe this is some sort of bottom. Whereas if the price just crashes down through there, well, then at that point, it's one of those circumstances where it's like, okay, well, apparently there's not that much true strength behind it because all of a sudden the price is, down at new lows. Now, in the event, though, this is a bottom, so if 660 continues to hold and starts to bounce, that brings up a question of, okay, yeah, the price is bouncing, but now where are some of these battlegrounds at? First key battleground to watch any sort of bounce, going to be right there at that resistance trend line right there, and then you'll also want to watch for more of an overarching standpoint, that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. But before you get too far ahead of yourself, first just see if the price can break above that resistance trend line. But if it can, then you're going to want to keep an eye on that purple line right there. But all in all, crazy movement today. But yeah, maybe, just maybe, this is some sort of bottom that's formed. So let's see how things play out on Tuesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.